All right, what's up, guys? It's been a little while, but we're back with some Cash Daddies picks. We got first up today Sam's pick from Cash Daddies 105, which is gold. This is a long term buy, hold, like a savings account. So let's dive in. We're going to be looking at this at the monthly level, high level, long term time frame. And as you know, if you've been watching my videos, we've been tracking this very long term, decade long cup and handle pattern that has been forming. And we've been forming the handle recently for about 2 years. It's just been kind of dinking around, dinking around. A lot of people think that the crypto markets kind of sucked up some liquidity or cash that would maybe more traditionally go into the metals at certain times of market shifts, macro level market shifts. But the interesting thing to keep in mind right now with this handle part of the cup and handle is that we have a double top here, double top, and we have some bearish divergence. So if we're looking at the RSI here, just ignore everything else. Sorry about that. Okay, so RSI, major bearish divergency. So you see the first top here, RSI is here. Second top, RSI is down. We got a bearish divergence, suggesting that there could be some more downside before any further upside. So we're interestingly sitting kind of at the double top support at the moment, and so that's what we're watching for right now. If this double top breaks, then our double top target, which you just measure from the top to the support, top to bottom, and just extend it. It gives you a guide of potentially where price could go. It lines up, almost perfectly with the 200 monthly moving average here, which we have not touched since 2003-ish. Right? So if we're thinking about mean reversion, reverting to the mean, price always reverts to the mean at some point. This looks like an interesting time for that to happen, particularly because we're kind of, many of us are expecting that equities and markets are going to sell off. If there's panic selling, panic crash, if that crash happens, we get a big red candle on the S&P 500. Then what's also going to happen is basically what we saw during the 2020 COVID's crisis. Everything sold off, and they're selling everything. People are selling everything to get cash to cover their margin, including gold. So money doesn't transition at the macro level to the different types of assets immediately, right? So you're not just going to have money coming out of equities and going into gold. Nowadays, people are selling everything to get the cash, and then they're kind of, restructuring, rebalancing, reinvesting, and then you'll start to see flows into different assets. That's my view on it. And so the interesting thing is that if we have any panic selling and panic crashes coming up soon over the next few months, we're in a right position right now for gold to sell off, break that double top support, crash down to the 200 monthly moving average, and I think we would get a really long wick. We get a really long wick. People are going to buy gold, buy gold. Gold goes down to 1300-ish. There's going to be people buying gold. They're going to buy it up. We'll get a nice long wick on the monthly level, probably closing above some major support. So maybe the 100 moving average, maybe 1600 here, right? That would be nice if that happened. I think overall, though, if this type of thing does happen, it's actually a good thing because it sort of resets the foundation for the next bullish leg for gold, which if the cup and handle stays intact, and we might have to look at this again if this crash actually happens, the technical analysis might change, but the cup and handle target brings us up to the 2800 mark. I've heard a lot of other people say it's going to go higher than that, but this is just standard traditional technical analysis target with a cup and handle measuring from top to bottom, doing an extension, 2800 from there. But we got to watch what happens with the double top support here. So this is the main thing we're focused on, double top support. And if you got cash sitting on the side and this thing crashes down to 1300, 200 monthly moving average, if that actually happens and you got cash on the side and you want gold or you haven't been able to get in it, you think it's too much, you want it to, come down before you buy some, 1300 I mean, buy gold, buy, 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 buy. Like if this crash happens, buy that stuff. All right, guys, that's it for today. That's gold, Sam's pick for Cash Daddies 105. Give a like, subscribe, and appreciate the support. We'll talk soon. Peace.